You want a tour of the studio? Yeah, come on inside. Let's go. Welcome to the studio, everyone. Right now we have a little bit of a hot mess right here, and the printer's there, and some unknown liquids are down there, and here we have the Cricut paper station. Let me open it up for you all so you all can see what's inside. This thing I bought with my husband on the Target run that we did. So here we have all of the Cricut items, the online label items, glitter paper, shimmer paper, vellum, a guillotine, some silver paper, craft paper, some Loctite backer cards, some white paper. Here we have all the sketch stuff, so all of the sketchbooks and references and office supplies are going in here. And down here we have all the vinyl. Here is inventory box. In this box I have some photo backgrounds, and I have a Cricut dies. And of course I have this revolving carousel of pens and other office supplies. And I have my lovely Air Cricut machine right here. And on the right hand side you'll see the GLOWFORGE. I love this thing. She's called Firefly. And down here we have a lot of wood supplies and particular styles of wood. We have the GLOWFORGE air filter. We also have more wood down there. A project that I'm working on for a custom order, some books that I need to read, and my iPad Pro. This is the station where all the magic and editing happen. We have a Rollo shipping label printer. This is my packing table where all the packaging happens and where I take photography. I have all of the packing supplies in this Alex drawer down here. So all the supplies that I need to package y'all's order are down there. And then we come up to the Star Trek shrine. My husband got that for me for Valentine's Day, I believe. My sister got me this bobblehead Spock, and then a couple of my friends made this for me, and it's so beautiful. And we have some backer boards there for photography. We have photo props in here, and in here we have a lot of different supplies. And here I am working on a project for face masks, so that's face mask projects. These are all the inventory ready to go. More of the project work down there, art supplies here. This is all the paperwork and tax stuff. And this right here is my stamping supply kit. I will create a video about that and how to make your own stamps later. And now we reached the closet, and this is what the closet looks like right now. Up here we have a lot of Christmas supplies and Christmas ornaments. Here we have a lot of reject candles that I've done burn test on. And we have a lot of candle equipment up there. We have all the candles that I made over there, but I'm waiting to get an LLC and other business things before I launch that. We have planters that I wanted to convert these into candles, but they're gonna be planters right now. All of the supplies for making candles and making the planters right there. More shipping supplies. Boxes. I got this typewriter, which is really cool. Wooden slabs. This is crinkle paper for filling. We have a mix match of items here that's for soap making. That is a lot of just different kinds of items. Some concrete mix and some power tools right there. Alright, that is it for this little quick studio tour. I hope you all enjoyed the tour, and I will be working more on the 3 goals that I have set for today. As you see, the studio is decent. It's not exactly where I need it to be in terms of utilizing the space. The space is not utilized as I would like it to be, but I am getting better. I am a little, it's a little bit hard for me to adapt to new spaces and make them mine and make spaces make sense, because just my brain. But yeah, I will be working on the Etsy order today and doing the inventory and creating holiday products. All right.